Hi, I'm Clint Mylan of Mylan Innovation, here to demonstrate the new cable fittings. They're very good and inexpensive. Here to show you guys the old ones, the old Acorn Nut ones, and then the USA made ones. They're pricey, but very good, very pricey. So here's a demonstration of how to install the new cable fittings. The kits come with one end on here in 5-foot increments. Just pull this through. Pull it through the next one. Sometimes the ends will get frayed. You just have to twist it. Slide it through. All these posts and components can be found on moderndeckrailings.com. And then to do these, first of all, I should tell you about these. They come in 2 parts, and they just screw together. Put it back in. Slide it through. And then we take a marker, and we mark about 1 inch inside here. Take the cutters. Twist it back. Slide it in here. Then a hydraulic tool, crimping tool. Put it on there. Slide her in. One, 2, 3, 4, and we'll try to get a 5th. Got a nice crimp on there. And then to tighten it, we just turn this back until it feels tight. And we'll put an Allen wrench right in the back here. Hold the cable with your left hand, and then just twist. Just like that. Here to show the finished product on a black post. There's a nice, clean, finished look to it. Very, very sleek.